Hello everyone and I welcome you all to this session 7 of bot building. So in the previous session I stopped here, which is break and continue. So I will continue from here only. So okay, if you remember, we have used this switch cases, right? In the switch cases only, we have a statement called break. If this condition satisfied, it will do the code block and it will break from here. Okay, same we have to use here, which is break. In the loop also we can use this break statement. Like for a loop, if I want to break something in between, I don't want to complete the loop. If this satisfied, just break it. Okay, so it will just do till that and it stopped. It will break the loop. Okay, this is how break is worked. And there's something called continue. So what continue like do is, if I'm like doing some state like steps in the loop and I want to skip one part. Okay, if I is equal to 4, in the value 4 I want to skip 4 and I want to move to the next value, which is 5. I want something like 1 2 3. I want to skip 4, I will go for 5. So for that I have to use continue statement. Okay, so this is how like break and continue works. And let's move forward to array. So in the initial time only, I was telling you guys about array, which is storing multiple values in one variable, right? I have array which is storing multiple values, which is 25, 50, 75, and 100. So my number array is storing multiple values. So how you can just decide if it is an array or not? After your variable name, you have to add this square brackets. Okay, then it will be a array, and you can store multiple values in that. So for example, and there's something called indexing. I will just explain a bit about indexing number to you. uh, okay, maybe this is called in array, and in array we have a thing, and this is having maybe a value of a, b, and c. So how array works is, this is called indexing of this, which is like 0 1 and 2. Always remember, this will start from 0, not from 1. Okay, if I want to print this value, I have to add like this, which is print percentage d my number, and this is index. Okay, as you have seen there, it's like there's no value right written inside this square bracket. But if I want to print something, I have to add some value here so that I can understand which value I want to print. So if I want to print 50, what I have to add, right? 1. Okay, so I will just write here 1 and it will print 50. Okay, so here also, if you want to see like it's like this. If you want to change the value, um, I think it will work, right? Now, okay, okay. So yeah. So if you have some array, if I want to change the value of 25 to 33, so like it's a zeroth position, so my number 0 is equals to 33. Then the arrow value will be changed to 25 to 33, and whenever you will print this, you will get a value of 33, not 25. Okay. So I will just add one more thing here. Okay, whenever you will write some codes, it will go top to bottom. Okay, it will not do like this. Okay, like I want to put some values here. For example, I'm just having a value a equal to 5, and after that I'm just putting a plus b equal to, sorry, not like this, a equal to a plus b equal to 10 maybe. Maybe I want to a plus b, and b is not specified. It's specified after this. So whenever you will write a code like this, it will throw an error like b value is not specified, like not declared. Okay, but you have declared the value after this, so it will just ignore that in the next line. But it just like go top to bottom. Okay, I hope I'm able to understand this part. Uh, but okay. So there is something called array size. Um, okay, so if I want to check the size of the array, you can just check the length. Okay, size of the number, sorry, size of my number divided by size of my number 0. So it will just divide by this, and it will print value 5. So, okay, let's see here only first. Uh, Size of my number. So it will print 20. Okay. Okay, sorry, I got it. 4, 5. Okay. As I have mentioned in the previous sessions, int is equals to 4 bit. Okay. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have five numbers here. So 5 into 4, which is 20. So it is taking a storage of 20 bits. Okay. Sorry, bytes. I guess so bytes. Yeah. So this is how you can store some values, and you can just understand like how much storage is taking. So this is very important thing. See, just because I have told like it is very close to the hardware, and we have to optimally like do everything in the storage part. That's why this size of concept is very much important here. Okay. Please refer to this real life example a bit whenever you will get some time. Just try it out a bit, and you will get more idea on this. Okay, there's something called multi-directional array as well. This is a 2D array. Okay, so I don't think so this is required. But if you still want to learn this one, just go to the specific this course and like learn this part. Okay, okay. Strings. I have told like if you want to just like store the complete line in one character, you have to do like this character. You have to make an array, and then only you can store a set of words, set of characters, I can say. So yeah, this is how you can store some values. And if you want to print something like this, you have to just print everything like this character greeting, which is hello world, and greetings 0 is equals to j. Then it will print change this one h to j, as I have mentioned in the previous one. Array like 0 indexing will change to j instead of h. Okay, and whenever you will print this one, it will just print jello world. Okay, nice. Special characters. There are some special character we cannot use, which is like this. Okay, yeah. So I am writing this one, and as you can see here, we are adding this one. So I was writing with this one double quotes, right? And inside the double quotes, I want another double quotes. We cannot use that just because it will understand like you are ending this one, and it will make a one separate line, and this one will a separate line. So this is making a mistake. For that, we have to add like this. If you want to add a like single colon, then you have to add this one, a single quote. For this one. You have to just slash quote, and slash uh, double quote for this result. Okay. If you want to add like this, you have to add slash and then quote. Then you can get this. And if you want to add a slash in your line, then double slash. Then you can get a backslash. Okay. If you want, you can just try this as well. And yeah, in the initial lectures only, I have just mentioned this one. For new line, you have to add slash in. For tab, we have to add, okay, this part I have not mentioned. So if you want to add a tab, a small space from the initial part, you can just add a slash t. And for null, you can just add 0. Okay. String function we have in this. Okay, if you want to use, okay, I have mentioned you guys about stdio.h. Okay, so whatever function like print function, if else function, it's not made for C. If you want to use that, we have to use stdio.h. And if you want to use some specific functions of this one strings, we have to add strings.h. Then you can use this one. Okay. Uh, I think you can just also explore a bit about this one. And if you get any doubt or something, you can just comment in this, or maybe you can just text me on WhatsApp, or maybe you can just like you can have a conversation on Meet as well. Okay, so just let me know. So yeah, I think I can stop here, and in the next session we will learn about input. So we will take some input from user, and then we will just proceed further, like whatever you want to do in the code. Okay. So thank you for joining on this session, and we'll let's see you in your next session. Okay. Thank you. Bye.